Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Triambakeshwara Realtors. Today we are going to visit an exciting property which is built in 150 square yards, faced towards west. So guys, this house location is in Kuntlur. So this is the car parking area, guys. Paul ceiling in the car parking area. This is the wall. This was looking very amazing. There are staircases to the first floor. The house is G+1, guys. So yeah, this is the common washroom under the staircase. They have covered with many things. It's actually a washroom. It has an Indian style commode. So this is the setback area to the right side of the house, guys. So this is the car parking area. It's very spacious. You can park 4-wheeler and one 2-wheeler vehicle. So this is the setback area to the left side, guys. This is the main door, guys. So this is the hall. As you can see, the flooring is made of granite, and the false ceiling design was looking uber cool. And this is the place where you can place the TV. This is the other door to the setback area. So guys, that is the master bedroom. These are the cabins in the hall to store some things. And there is an arch kind of thing to place the TV and to cover the dining area. So this is the dining area, guys. This is the false ceiling design in the dining area. So this can be used as a wash area. So they still didn't place the wash basin, but it can be placed in some time. This is the other door to the backside setback area. So these are the cabins in the dining area. And guys, this house finishing is very good. We have used very pretty colors. So this is the kitchen, guys. Entrance to the kitchen, and to the left side it's a puja room. So guys, this is the puja room, and there's a window in puja room as well. So this is the kitchen, guys. The kitchen is very spacious. You may be confused by seeing in the video, it's a bit congested, but it's very spacious. These are the cabins in the kitchen, guys. This is the kitchen platform. And there's a good ventilation in the kitchen, guys. There is one door to the setback area and one window. So there's a good ventilation, and there'll be good sunlight because the kitchen is in east face. So yeah. Now let's go to the master bedroom, guys. So as you see, the flooring is of granite. This is the common washroom, guys. The washrooms are very spacious as well. And guys, this is the master bedroom. So let's go into the master bedroom. This is the false ceiling design in the master bedroom, guys. It's very simple and looking very good. These are the cabins in the master bedroom, guys. So there's a window as well. So of course there's a good ventilation. This is the lower roof, guys. You can store some unnecessary things. This painting was looking fab. And this is the attached washroom in the master bedroom, guys. It has western style commode, but it's still not placed yet. The tiles were looking very good when it compared to the virtual when you see it in real. So now let's go to the children's bedroom, guys. This particular house builder has very good taste because he used some small kind of textures, and those making walls looking very good. And this is the false ceiling design in the children's bedroom, guys. These are the cabins. And yeah, so now let's go to the first floor. So yeah guys, when it comes to the amenities, we we particularly only showcase the properties which has all the amenities and documents which are clear. So some may have doubts that does this have this, that, something. As I mentioned in every video, I'll be mentioning in this video as well. So it has municipal water connection, underground drainage connection, everything, and there is 20 feet wide and road in front of the house. And there is the main door in the first floor, guys. False ceiling design in the veranda. Now let's go into the hall, guys. This hall is very spacious compared to the ground floor one. This is the false ceiling design in the hall, guys. These are few cabins to the left of the main door. So this house is very spacious compared to the downstairs one. So these are the cabins, some more cabins to store things. So guys, this is an arch kind of thing to the entrance of dining area and kitchen. So this is where you can place the TV. And the flooring is same in the ground floor and first floor. There is the false ceiling design in the dining area, guys. So these are the cabins in the dining area. So downstairs you don't have any door to the puja room, but here you have door for the puja room. And this is the other door to the setback area, which is backside, guys. This color was looking very good. So this is the puja room, guys. If you observe, there was no door downstairs in the puja room, and it was half built only up to the door level. Now here it is fully made. And this is the kitchen, guys. So this is the kitchen platform. These are the cabins in the kitchen, guys. So here there is no door to the setback area. They have left setback area only downstairs, not upstairs. And upstairs only they have left that backside and to the right side. So this is the wash area in the backside, guys. So there is the window in the kitchen, which I have shown you just before. So this is the setback area to the right side, guys. It's very huge and spacious. And guys, now let's go to the master bedroom. So this is an entrance to the master bedroom, children's bedroom, and one common washroom. So this is the common washroom, guys, and it has the Indian style commode, same as downstairs. These tiles were looking very good. I don't know how it is portrayed in the video, but it was looking very good in real. So this is the master bedroom, guys. It's false ceiling design in the master bedroom, and these particular small kind of textures were making whole wall to look good. So there is the window in the master bedroom, guys, and this is an attached washroom. So it's very spacious compared to the downstairs one. I personally love this house because it's very simple and spacious, and the price is also very less. I'll reveal it in the ending of the video. And this is the false ceiling design in children's bedroom, guys. So these are the cabins in children's bedroom. Here you have some more cabins to store some wardrobe kind of thing or something. So now let's go to the upstairs, guys. I'll show you how the property, how spacious the property is. And the location of the house is Pasmamla, guys, near Kuntlur. So it's very nearby to the Pedambarpet, ORR, Hayatnagar, and here you have many international schools, banks, colleges. Everything is nearby here. So this is the property, guys. You can see how spacious it is. The water tank is still not placed yet. So guys, this is the colony. I don't know what the colony name is exactly, but the location is Pasmamla, nearby Kuntlur. So these are the premises, guys. So now it's time to reveal the price. See, we don't bluff people for views, for subscribers or something. These prices are genuine, and we couldn't respond you people in very short time because we have less team, so we'll sort it out in very less time. So the price of this house is just 45 lakhs, guys, and it is of 150 square yards, faced toward the west, near Pasmamla, Kuntlur. This is the road, guys, in front of the house. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. We'll get back to you tomorrow with a new property, guys. Thank you.